Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment and signing in. Open Visual Studio, enable the Git workload, and then sign into GitHub using Tools, Options, Accounts. This gives you credential access and sync capabilities, so Visual Studio can push and pull for you. Once done, choose to create a new repository or clone an existing one from GitHub. Make sure to set your local path and branch. Doing these first avoids repeated auth prompts and gets you straight into editing. You now manage changes with branches and commits. Create a feature branch from the Git Changes or Branches view so your work stays isolated. Edit files, then stage hunks or files and write concise commit messages explaining the why, not just the what. Once committed locally, push to origin to backup work and trigger CI. When ready, open a pull request, either in GitHub or via Visual Studio's Create Pull Request action, to review, run checks, and merge safely into main. Finish by syncing and finalizing your PR. Pull the latest changes before merging so you address conflicts early. Rebasing keeps history tidy, but merge is fine for shared branches. After a review, merge or squash as your team prefers, then delete the feature branch to reduce clutter. If something goes wrong, like authentication errors or conflicts, re-sign into GitHub through Accounts, clear saved credentials, and resolve conflicts in the editor before committing. This ensures a clean, reproducible repo state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.